The transitive verb signifies the tense is the second role of the verb to reveal the gap between the present and the point in time and the subject-object relationship mediated by the transitive verb is actualized. Unlike this transitive verb, the preposition does not signify the point in time when the subject-object relationship mediated by the preposition is actualized. This explanation is about the reliance of the point in time when the definition of the preposition is actualized to mediate the subject-object relationship. On the actualization by the definition of the verb applied in a clause. The point in time and the subject-object relationship mediated by the definition of the transitive verb is actualized is the same as the point in time and the definition of the verb which is applied with the preposition in the same clause is actualized. This is obvious when we think of this clause. I attach this mouse on the screen. The concurrency between the actualization of the definition of the transitive verb attach and the actualization of the definition of the preposition on is dealt with in this explanation. So, when the speaker as a subject actualized the action described by the transitive verb attach from the speaker to this mouse, then this object is supposed to be placed on the surface of the screen at the same time, but the mouse, or we can think that this is a bit strange if the mouse is going to be placed on the screen later than the speaker actualizes the action described by the transitive verb attach. The speaker attached this mouse. The speaker attaches this mouse at the present, and according to the clause, this mouse is supposed to be placed on the surface of the screen, but it can be strange that this mouse will be placed on the surface of the screen like tomorrow. So we can understand that the definition of the transitive verb attach and the definition of the preposition on are concurrently actualized. This conveys the intention of the speaker, who emphasizes that the experience, condition, or action indicated by the object of the preposition lasts for the period to include the point in time when the definition of the verb is actualized. In this clause, in this page, we can understand the reason why the object of the preposition is, the experience, condition, or action as the object of the preposition is revealed in a way of in the form of a gerund, whose form reveals that the experience, condition, or action lasts for a period. This tells us that it is time to review the application of the present participle with a trait as an adverb to specify a point in time when the be verb describes the existence of the subject at a point in time in a clause stated in the progressive tense. The form of the present participle as a descriptive word and the gerund as an indicative word has the root of the word that has the same form as a verb and the suffix ing. The suffix ing reveals that the experience, condition, or action described by the body of the present participle or the gerund lasts during a period. And the period as the basis to indicate an experience, a condition, or an action as the object of the preposition is understood as the specified period when the subject of the preposition exists. The subject of the preposition is indicated by an indicative word. This tells us that the subject already exists. According to the definition of the be verb, that can be the premise to indicate the subject of the preposition. The point in time when the subject of the preposition exists is specified into a period when the experience, condition, or action indicated by the object of the preposition actualizes. The object of the preposition to indicate an experience, a condition, or an action is revealed by a gerund to signify that the experience, condition, or action lasts for a period. We can, if you want to look at a picture in a larger scale, we zoom in the picture in our electric device in this way, or in the program prezi, we can zoom in a point of the entire picture, and we can see a detailed description into a point after we zoom into the picture. This kind of understanding can be helpful to understand how the object of the preposition in indicating an experience, a condition, or an action is in the form of a gerund. The trait of the preposition, which is a sort of adverb, is applied by the speaker who specifies the point in time when the definition of the verb is actualized, so that the speaker reveals the intention to emphasize that the experience, condition, or action as the object of the preposition lasts for a period to include the specified point in time when the subject of the preposition exists. The specified point in time when the subject exists is included in the period for the actualization indicated by the gerund as the object of the preposition. The phenomenon that the object of the preposition to indicate an experience, condition, or the experience, condition, or action,